This is a lesson on key signatures for the flat key signatures. Now that you've had a chance to learn the order of flats, you can apply that to identifying do, or the key that you're in when singing a piece of music. The first rule that applies for key signatures for both flats and sharps is this. If there are no flats and no sharps in the key signature, you are in the key of C major when looking at major keys. Here in example 1, there are no flats and no sharps at the beginning of the key of the staff. This is C major. Now, when trying to identify do, or the key that you are in when you're looking at major keys in flat signatures, there are two ways to approach it. Here's one way. Consider the last flat to be fa in the scale, as in do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa. Fa is the 4th degree in the scale. So if you have a key signature that looks like this, there's your last flat, the only one, in this case B flat, and you consider that fa, and you go down 4 lines and spaces connecting completely adjacently until you find do. Fa, mi, re, do, which is F. 1 flat, B flat, is F major. Let's try that with another key. Let's say you have 4 flats. The last flat in this case is D flat. D flat becomes fa. You go down 4 notes, fa, mi, re, do, and you get to A. Now the thing you need to be pretty careful about, though, is to check to see if A has been flatted in the key signature, which it has. So therefore, this is the key signature for A flat major. A second way to look at this is to remember the jingle that we've learned in class, flats penultimate, which will also help you get higher scores on your SATs. Penultimate is a fancy word that means second to last. If you identify the second to last flat at the beginning of the staff, that will be your key signature. In this case, the second to last flat is B. Please remember that it's B flat. This is the key signature for B flat, which you could also write as B flat. You could use the little flat symbol. This is not the key signature, as many of us make this mistake very commonly. This is not B. This is what the key signature to B looks like. It has 5 sharps. This is the key signature for B flat. And here's the rule. No flats, no sharps are C. 1 flat, B flat is F major, and then all the other flat key signatures will have flat in their name. Here we have 3 flats. The penultimate flat is E flat. This is the key signature for E flat. Let's do one more. Here's a key signature of 5 flats. The penultimate flat is D flat.